Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a very cool song here from Kanye West featuring Toliver called Broken Road. So it's the same kind of chords in the same order through the entire song with one kind of strumming pattern. So that's great. Let's start right away with this one. No need for any capo. And let's go over the chords. First one is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. That. So what I do there, I bar the second fret. It's enough to just do it from the G string down, so that means 3 strings like this. The rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. Alright, next chord will be A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be B minor 7. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. The next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G major 7. Alright, so that is 3rd on E. And I mute the next string here with my finger I'm using, usually my middle finger. Like this, I just leaned on top of the A string. So that is muted, and then comes the open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have next chord called A7 sus. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be B. Okay, so you need to bar the second fret here from A string and down. That means 5 strings again. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. So there you have all the chords there. And you will play this order from E minor, and in the order we'll learn the chords through the entire song. So that means E minor, the D F sharp chord, the A minor 7, the B minor 7, the C, the G major 7, A7 sus, and the B. Alright, so there you have all the 8 chords. Now we need to look at the strumming pattern. That's the last thing we will learn here, and we need to think as pair of chords. So that means one strumming round will be paired up with E minor and the D F sharp chord, and then comes the next strumming round with the A minor 7, B minor 7, and then comes the third C to G major 7, and the last one A7 sus to B. Alright, so think pair of chords. You will play in the same way all these pairs. Okay, so let's look at the transition from the first 2 chords here, the E minor to the D F sharp. Okay, so for E minor, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so with E minor, down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so down, down, up, clap, down. And when you play that, you immediately change to the next chord. In this case, it's the D F sharp chord. And that will be played down, clap, down. So you can do like that. If you want, you can also use the clap not on all the strings like I did in A minor. You can just use the the bass string here, the E bass string. That means you will not kill the sound when you clap, so it will still ring out, and you can do a clap anyway with the sound and go on with the down again. So that means the change will be from this to this. So here the sound rings out more. It's up to you how to use the claps, but that is 2 ways of using it for this second part, you can say, for the strumming. So that means you're gonna play the E minor, down, down, up, clap, down, then shift, down, clap, down for the D F sharp chord. And that is the pattern for all these pair of chords. So that means the A minor 7 is played in the same way as the E minor. So down, down, up, clap, down, and then you shift to the B minor 7 and play down, clap, down. And the same goes from C to G major and from A7 sus to B. So let's go over this chord progression here with the strumming and look and listen to it. So let's go. So there you have Kanye West's Don Toliver song called Broken Road. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did, please show me some love, thumb up, and see you soon. And don't forget, guys, like always on this channel, play tuned.